In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a Google account from your iPhone. Whether you're switching accounts or just decluttering, it's an easy process, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. You can find it in your home screen. Now scroll down and tap on Apps and simply go to Mail option. Next, tap on Accounts to see a list of all the accounts linked to your device. Find the Google account that you want to delete or remove and access the settings. Then you can find Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the account. Confirm by tapping delete from my iPhone, and that's it. Your Google account is now removed from your iPhone. You can still access it via a web browser or add it back later. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Google account from your iPhone.